This is what complete concussion management does. Because we're on top of the research, because concussions are all we do, and we have a research team that sits down and goes through the research on a weekly basis, we're continuously evolving our protocols. All of our clinics get updated every single month. So as new information is evolving, our clinics are always on that cutting edge, always evolving with the changing research. So by the time the international consensus statement happens, we've already been doing that for 2.5 years, right? By the time Berlin happened, everyone's still on this rest phase. We had phased out rest and we're starting with early exercise before Berlin even came out. And I still see people now who are being told to rest and do nothing. And it just shows you how far behind the times most healthcare providers are. And I see it on Instagram all the time, and I'm just gonna go on a rant right now, but it drives me nuts when I see athletes, professional athletes, or any type of athlete or anybody after a concussion, they'll post and they'll hashtag concussion, which I obviously follow the hashtag concussion. I'll see it come up and it says, oh, I've been diagnosed with a concussion, so I'm on bed rest for the next 2 weeks. I'm not allowed to do anything, not allowed to work, so I won't see you guys for a bit. And I feel like just losing my mind and going on a rant on somebody's Instagram post, but I'm not going to do that. The thing that bothers me the most is that person has been guided by a healthcare professional to do that crap. That stuff is so outdated. That's at least 5 years out of date. And yet I still see it every day because the majority of healthcare providers out there are not keeping up to date with this stuff. And so the whole purpose of what CCMI is and what we're designed to do is keep our healthcare networks on top of the changing landscape. You guys as healthcare practitioners are too damn busy to be worrying about trying to keep up with everything. So we try to handle that for you so that we make sure that we're delivering effective management to all of our patients. So if you're a patient and you've been told to rest, you need to find a new healthcare provider because you're being misguided. Check out CompleteConcussions.com, click on the Find a Clinic button, and you can find somebody who has been trained and is keeping up to date with the current and evolving literature.